Hello, happy Thursday. My name is Achumboro Ataande, and this is part of my video series on how to start a business and how to grow a business. And today I'm going to talk about some of the biggest mistakes I made with my first company so that you can learn from them. Right now, if you would take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button for my channel. If you're on Facebook, please hit the follow button, like the page. And after the video, please leave comments on mistakes you make, thoughts about my mistakes, other things you want to bring up. I'm active in the comment section, so please leave a comment and I'll try to respond to all of them. All right, so the biggest mistakes I made, and I really think there's a theme in this, and I'll talk about the theme at the end of some of the biggest mistakes I've made. So the first, I think, is I didn't pray enough. I didn't pray enough. I was trying to do a lot on my own, just thinking if I work 18 hours, I can, like, God is to the side, but my priority was the business. My priority was this, and I did not pray enough and just leave things in God's hands. That's my first big mistake. My second mistake was I did not have mentors, business mentors. I did not ask people to advise me much. I asked, but not enough. I did not ask people to advise me much. I did not have people hold me accountable. I did not sit and learn from people who were older, wiser than me, or who had just done more than me. I didn't take the time to really say, hey, I need this person, I need to learn from this person, I need to learn from that person. And then the third thing I would say was I didn't ask for help. I was not willing to ask for help. I felt that made me vulnerable, saying that I didn't know how to do something. I thought that showed weakness. I thought that it meant that I'm incompetent, and therefore I would not ask for help no matter how much I was drowning, no matter the stress I was going through. I wouldn't ask for help, and I would just try to, my thing is just work through it. The harder you work, something's going to happen. And these things, I believe all of these have a theme of I just was too proud. I was just too proud, and I thought this is the way to do it, and you gotta fake it till you make it, or you just gotta do it, and you have to be strong enough yourself. You have to build this business. It means you're not good enough if you reach out to other people, or if you're depending too much on God. It means you don't have skills, and it was just pride, and that's something I think kills more businesses now that I'm realizing, or people with the potential to make their business, is having pride, being very proud, being unwilling to ask for help, not praying, not having mentors. I went through this before, but really the theme of just having too much pride and really having a lot of humility. Now I try to have more humility, admit when I don't know something, ask for help, and repeatedly ask for help. Don't worry about looking other people thinking, oh, he's incompetent. Or don't worry about it as much. I'm not gonna pretend like we all worry about looking incompetent or competent, but not to worry about it as much, and being willing to learn or seeming incompetent in order to learn and grow. So my name's Achumboro Ataande, and this is part of my video series on how to start and grow a business. Please hit subscribe. Please leave your comments, what you think. Do you have an issue with pride? Do you have an issue with any of these? Are these some of your problems? What are your problems? How are you trying to solve them? Are you trying to solve them? Or what you see problems in other entrepreneurs? Please don't name the entrepreneurs, but what problems you see that you believe are holding other people back? Just so we all can learn and try not to commit these errors ourselves. So please subscribe to this channel. If you're on YouTube, like and follow my page if you're on Facebook. Also check out my Instagram. We post more tips, or my company's pages and my company's Instagram. We post more tips. Monday through Friday we post videos on Facebook and YouTube, where we just daily videos about business advice. Sometimes I have interviews with other entrepreneurs, professionals who can give you tips on how to run your business better. And this channel is about us, the entrepreneurship community, from a Christian perspective, from an underrepresented entrepreneur's perspective. And we're all growing together, we're all learning together, and hopefully we're all successful together. God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy Thursday again. and I'm looking forward to making a video tomorrow for you all. God bless.